Do you want large, thick-walled peppers and strong plants that produce an impressive harvest? Many gardeners focus only on fertilizer, but the real secret starts much earlier. The size and health of your peppers depend on how well they begin. When a plant develops a strong root system early on, it can support bigger fruit and higher yields later in the season. It all starts with sowing. Pepper seeds germinate best at temperatures between 72 and 80 degrees Celsius. Use a light, well-draining seed starting mix. The soil should stay slightly moist but never soaked. Too much water can cause the seeds to rot, while soil that is too dry will slow germination. Once the seedlings develop their first true leaves, they need plenty of light to grow sturdy, compact stems instead of becoming tall and weak. When transplanting outdoors, wait until nighttime temperatures stay consistently above 55 degrees. Peppers love warmth and need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Before planting, enrich the soil with compost to provide organic matter and nutrients. Space plants about 12 to 18 inches apart to ensure good air circulation and room for proper growth. At this stage, you can use a simple but effective boost. Add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast to 1 quart of lukewarm water. If you want the mixture to activate faster, add 1 teaspoon of sugar to encourage fermentation. Let it sit in a warm place for a few hours. Use this solution to water your pepper seedlings once or twice a month. Yeast contains beneficial compounds, including B vitamins and natural enzymes that stimulate root development. Stronger roots allow the plant to absorb nutrients more efficiently, resulting in steady growth and improved resilience. Over time, you will notice thicker stems, deeper green leaves, and larger, better quality peppers. This is not a miracle cure for poor soil or bad conditions, but as a natural supplement, it can significantly improve plant performance. Combine proper sowing, healthy soil, and this simple yeast solution to help your peppers reach their full potential.